God, you're so good. Come here. Oh, my dear. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is like a miracle. This is like a miracle. I can't believe so. My daughter Tochi is going to attend a big man's school.
Yes!
I can't believe this. Thank you.
Well, now I can help you.
No. Listen, you will not do that. You can only concentrate on your studies. I have been selling in that school canteen for over 4 years. Never ever needed your help. So once we get to school, film to your classroom.
But mommy, why don't you want me to come out and help you once in a while?
Of course, I love her! Thank you. Thank you for making me proud. What is going on here? It's nothing, just good news. My daughter got admitted to your son's school. On scholarship. My son's school? Yes, ma'am, but on scholarship.
What?
You didn't even tell us that you are applying for your daughter in her son's school.
Mom, this girl is not going to my school. She's not even coming there. It's not happening.
Besides, that school is not for poor people like you.
Listen, this girl cannot come to my school. And that's final.
You heard him. You heard my son. He doesn't want you in his school. Adam, try to control this daughter of yours. She has big eyes, always going for things beyond her. Tochi, learn to remain in your level. Stop flying above your capacity.
But ma, it has always been my dream to go to Daniel's school.
Keep that dream of yours in your capability. Could you put rough shoulder with my son? Nonsense. Rubbish. Listen, don't cry, okay? You're not trying to rub shoulders with anyone. You're just living your dream. You're living your dream, so don't stop, okay? You have to live your dream. No one is going to stop you, not even them, because they don't own that school. Just go and make mom proud. No one is going to stop you. No.
Somebody is in a happy mood today. What's going on?
I got the scholarship, sir.
What? You did?
Yes.
Wow. I'm so proud of you, my girl. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I just thought I should tell you about it.
Oh yes, you did very well. This is good news, my darling. Really good news, eh? I am proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, wow. Wonderful result and now scholarship. You're going places. You go places.
Amen.
Hello. Remember our little secret.
What is what is it?
That girl cannot come to my school. How did she even get admitted in the first place?
Scholarship I heard. Come to think of it. How were they able to afford the scholarship form? And the rent is so expensive.
Honey, you talk like you don't know Adama. She's a hard-working woman. Oh yes. And she cares so much about her daughter. Have you forgotten she's on our payroll? And we pay her very well. Plus all the side hustles that she engaged in. She can afford it, why not?
But honey, that girl cannot be in the same school with our son.
Really?
Yes.
Really? Well, in that case, our son should go build his own school. Yes?
I don't like the way you sound about this issue. I don't.
What do you want me to do? No. What do you want me to do? To stop a child from attending a school because your own child is attending the same school?
Yes.
Who does that?
Yes. If not that she wants to rub shoulders with my son, why will she apply in the same school my son is going to?
No, Florence, don't be ridiculous. Okay? I cannot stop a child from attending a school of her choice. I don't have the power to do that. And even if I do, I won't.
How did they succeed in getting the scholarship? How? Do you know anything about it?
As the principal or what? No. You're asking me as the principal of the school. Come on, Florence. Come on. Listen to me. I had a long day. Okay? I had a long, stressful day. I do not want anybody to add any more stress to me. No. I have to return now.
Don't you care about our son's feelings? Don't you?
Of course I do. I also care about other people's feelings. Right? Now, you and your son should... Listen, you and your son should leave the poor girl alone.
Dad.
Leave her to breathe.
Dad, you have to do something about this. You have to do something about this.
Daniel, go up and read your books.
Now. There's something we can...
Can't you see your father is not willing to help? Huh? We're on our own.
I'll make that school so miserable for her that she will never want to go back.
You must be hungry. Here. I kept some food for you in the microwave. Here, Danny.
It's Daniel to you.
Fine, I'm sorry. Daniel, your food, please. Please do me a favor. Be kind to Tochi when she resumes at your school tomorrow. Please, you two should watch each other's back.
Tochi will ever regret coming to my school. I personally make sure of that.
Daniel, please. Daniel, please. What was that all? Huh? I was telling him, I begged him to help me look after Tochi at school. They should watch each other's back.
I have warned you to stay clear, my son. Haven't I? Adam, I will deal with you if you do not keep your distance from my son. Remember, you have a lot to lose. Stay within your limit. We had a deal. We had an agreement. Stick to it. Adam, stay within your limit.
looking at me like that?
Ignore them. My dear, I can't believe that you are a student of this big school. My daughter is a smart girl.
Okay, let me help you.
I can handle this. Once we're in school, forget about helping me. Face your studies, okay?
It's in my bag.
Good. Good girl. Now go to your class. Don't worry, I can handle this. No. Your class.
What?
Come on, run along.
What?
Why are you staring at like that?
Run along.
You have something to say?
Hey, scholarship.
See her face.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be interesting.
This one is going to be interesting.
It's
Really
serious.
interesting.
It's 100 naira.
I can imagine.
Loser!
Nobody wants to sit with the scholarship kid.
You know, she shouldn't be there. She should be out there saying, I'm not with that.
You're right.
Or maybe you should go get us a plate of food or something.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I'm hungry, honestly.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Button up your jacket. I believe you all know we have a new student here, right? Tochi. Can you please stand up and introduce yourself properly? Will you stop that?
Isn't it obvious that no one wants to deal with a scholarship today?
Daniel, if you interrupt me again or say anything again, then I will write for your suspension. Tochi. Go ahead and introduce yourself to your classmates.
My name is Tochi.
And
So, what's that your name again? Tochi. That. Welcome to Royal Mirror. But I have a few pointers for you though. Benita, you shouldn't be talking to her. Shut it. Shut up. Is it you we should be speaking with?
One of these days I will give you a dirty slap.
Sophia, listen. Did you pay attention when you got in today? You see how everyone looks nice, neat, and rich. And clearly you and I know that. You don't fit in. You need tackle. So you need to brush yourself up. Okay? you know you want to fit in here and be accepted, you need to fix this. Understand? And look at my face. See this face? I want it to be printed in your head. Don't mess with this face. Okay? Be a good girl, right? Good. Nice talk. Like I said, welcome to Royal Mirror. My jacket, please.
Refresh. Okay, and then fold up. Cabbage is 700 now.
Mommy,
Yes, dear.
I'm ready.
Okay. What is this?
Mom, it's nothing. I'm ready for school.
Go in and change right now. I mean now.
Mom, but this is what the girls at school wear.
You are not the girls at school. You're not. You can never be anything like them. They can get away with anything. But you're just a girl whose mother, her poor mother is selling at the school canteen. So modesty should be your watchword. Go.
Mom, this has nothing to do with
It does. Sochi, why are you letting these people pressure you into what you're not? You want to look like the rude girl and her friends? Instead of you focusing on your studies. Why? Graduating with the best grade from that school should be your utmost priority. And not this. You're almost naked. Look at. Before I open my eyes, you changed already. Now go.
Mom, my other uniform is dirty.
It's not. I washed it. So go and change. Why are you still looking at me? My friend, go and change. I'm so disappointed in you.
I'm sorry.
Talk in that tie and look like a responsible child. Why would you let your peers pressure you into looking like what you are not? Was this your dream? Why would you let this be? Oh, heavens. This is not good.
Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about the periodic table. We're going to discuss about the first 20 elements. But before then, we will try to do some kind of brain booster so that we get ready for the lessons proper. So who can tell me the year the United Nations was established?
1945.
Oh, I can see that Daniel is such a bookworm now. So tell me, Daniel, how many minutes are there in 1 week? Fortunately, the bookworm does not know the answer. So who can tell me how many minutes we have in 1 week?
9,000.
That is wrong.
9,500 minutes.
That is wrong again.
10,080 minutes.
Correct. A round of applause for Tochi. I said a round of applause for Tochi right now. Now you. Who is the president of South Africa?
Me?
Yes, you.
Mrs. Know-it-all.
What do you want, Daniel?
What do I want? I want you to leave my school.
Your father did not build this school, did he?
Tochi or whatever you call your name. See that rubbish you put in class today? Trying to interrupt me when I'm trying to get the answer to a question. Let it not repeat itself again.
You are not fast enough. And if you...
This is my boss, Tochi. And you better stay out of my way. Else, I'll make you the most hated student in Royal Mirror. And this is not a warning.
Daniel, what's happening? Just put this pump by now.
To make the dreams come true, to soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation, to what you wanna be. Just put your head up high and don't give up, 'cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take. And every
Look, guys. See what the scholarship kid is drawing.
Rubbish.
Give it back.
This is rubbish, man.
Give it if it's rubbish.
Daniel.
Listen, you're good for nothing. It's not clear to you that this school is not for the likes of you. Nonsense.
Give me back my throwing.
just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. What you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you can be just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you.
Mom, the kids in that school are so mean. They call me names. They hate me so much. I overheard one in the restroom. She was calling me a dirty poor girl.
Honey, don't mind them. And don't let their words get to you. So don't let those children intimidate you. You or who you think you are not what they say you are. Wash your words off you. It's just words.
It's not that easy, Mom. I wish it was. I feel like I'm walking on eggshells in that school.
It's because they know that you're a special and intelligent girl. You're better than most of them.
I wish I had friends, though.
But Trey is a nice kid. I thought you both would be friends by now.
He hasn't said a word to me.
Oh. Don't worry. Soon you'll make friends. Good ones. Read your books! Come on. You make good friends. Trust me. It's always like that. When you change school after your junior YA to a new school, you're bound to have all this. And before you say Jack, your intelligence will bring them to you.
The scholarship kid is obsessed.
I was just reading.
Don't worry, no need to be afraid. I won't tell anyone. Nice book. You like him, don't you? He's mine, you know. But he's not yours. Yet.
Oh, shut up, Sophia. Shut up. I do not know what you are talking about.
It's fine. I understand. Trey is a very handsome boy. And every girl in this school wants him. Stay away from him. Good? Hey Trey.
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm just reading the book. What's going on?
Oh, not much. Just came to see what you're up to. So what did you say you were doing?
There's some matter.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance.
Thank you. I want the usual.
Okay.
So high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation.
Now I want good meat.
You and good meat. Don't worry. I'll make it two today. There we go.
Thanks, man. What are we going
Let me get
Don't tell me you're buying this trashy food. Guy, what do you mean? I like a food and I always eat it. What's your problem? What's your business? Yourself then.
Danny, don't be mean. Come have something to eat.
Mommy, let him go.
And here we are, Terry.
Thank you.
So how's school going?
Mommy, you always mistake me for Terry. It's Trey.
Trey. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry, Trey.
That's fine.
I hope you've met my daughter. It's okay. It's okay. She's dating.
I told you.
Trey here is one of the few students in this school that is nice to me.
Sorry, Mom, but you're all so desperate in here.
Don't say that, honey. They're just kids. They will grow out of it someday.
The fact that they're kids doesn't give them the right to be mean. And some people will do nothing about it. Imagine how Daniel spoke to you. And he said nothing.
But what do you have him do? I think you're angry. What is the matter?
I should just go.
Finish your food. Trey, I'm sorry about it.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Are you mad? I am so. Come on, sir. Come on. Are you mad? What's wrong with you? Don't you see? Go there, I'm talking to you. Come on, go down, sir.
I said I'm sorry.
Go there, I'm talking to you. Come on, go down. I said something to you. Are you mad? Don't you see, Don't you see? I'm down.
Leave him alone!
Are you mad?
Are you okay?
Don't you dare speak to me like that again.
I will speak to you however I want. You do not own this school.
I will make sure you and your mother pay for trying to frustrate my life.
Do you need a hand?
Yes.
Daniel, he really stresses me out a lot. He's my biggest trigger.
Thank you so much, Tucci. Thank you.
You know my name?
Yes, I know everybody's name. Thank you.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay now?
Yes, fine.
Are you sure you're okay now?
Yes, I'm fine.
This thing is getting worse.
Mom, please do not worry. It's nothing to worry about.
Oh, I should worry.
No.
We have to go for checkup.
No, it doesn't go into that, honestly. It's just one of those nights I have attacks. And I'm fine now.
You sure?
Just go back to bed, please. And just go to bed, I'm fine. Have you come forward with more intentionally feel that way?
I don't know. Always.
Should we take you to the hospital?
But you know we can't afford it now. I'll just worry about how messages again.
Oh, we did that yesterday.
And it subsided.
I don't think I'm going to sleep. I have to have a picture of you.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take and every move you make.
Why are you still drooling over him?
And who should I be drooling over?
Me, baby. Listen, you don't need to drool after me. Just say the word and I'm all yours.
You know, Danny, I don't know what you see in the mirror every day that makes you think I would want to date you. No one wants to date a bully, okay? So please, get that idea off your head. It could never happen in this life, in the next, and the one after. You see this? It's never going to be a thing, okay? So please get your raggedy self out of here. You. Haven't I warned you to stay away from my man?
What man?
Oh, come on. Stop playing ignorant.
I wonder whether she thinks we're fool or not. We saw you trying to get Trey to notice you, darling.
What? He doesn't even notice me. But I saw you come out of his car this morning.
He just gave me a ride, that's all.
Did they carry me play, Abby? Huh? When I'm talking to you, bring down your hand. You are playing with me. Do you think I'm playing with you? Do you think I'm playing with you? I know you like him, and you know I like him too.
I thought you said it is yours. Technically, she's still shooting her shot.
See, I could just take this person to my body and walk you. Why did I don't know how to talk? You don't have sense. What did I foolish fool? You! Let this be the last time I warn you. Stay away from my man with your tacky, dirty, impoverished looking self. If you come near him again,
You know, you need to learn to speak with intelligence, Sophia.
Says a girl who can't spell assembly.
I only missed an egg, girl.
An egg?
come here free one more time.
You know what? Drop. Go down!
I see your mom is not doing too well for herself.
Are you indirectly trying to say something?
Now I told you both of you will pay for your insolence, right?
Did you cause my mom's fall? Did you cause my mom's fall?
I'll end your life here right now. You don't respect yourself. Hey, what is wrong with you? I'll end your life right now. Are you mad? Hey, are you mad? I'm talking. Are you mad?
Stop!
Respect yourself again. Daniel, what's your problem? Are you insane? Guy, why will you lay your hands on a woman? Bro, she started it first. And so? I'm sorry. Guy, you don't even know what happened. Can you see yourself? Are you serious right now? Shut up, please! And as long as I'm in this school, you will not lay your hands on any woman again, okay? You bully.
This Lucas is playing the weddings.
What's your problem with this girl, Daniel?
My problem is that she dreams too big. She's not supposed to be in this school.
I don't understand. Can you hear what's coming out of your mouth?
Can you look at how she's playing with these weirdos?
Daniel, what's your problem with this girl?
My problem is that she dreams too big, man. She's not meant to be in this school.
I don't understand. Can you hear yourself? No, can you hear what's coming out of your mouth? She can go to whatever school she likes. Is she not a student like everyone here?
Then why must it be this one? There are so many schools out there. Why must it be this one?
Why not?
Oh, you don't understand. Imagine being in the same school with your maid.
Daniel, Tochi is not your maid.
Her mother is my maid. So that automatically makes her a maid too.
Her mother works and cleans in your house. So, and even if she's the maid, just free this girl.
Why are you even taking sides with her? Oh, you think I've not seen the way you look at her, Abi?
And what do you mean by that? No, wait. What do you mean by the way I look at her? Just free this girl, guy.
Me free her. I made a promise to myself that I will make sure I make her life so miserable in this school. And I will not stop until I do that.
Daniel, what will you gain from that?
Everything. Happiness, peace of mind, everything, bro. Everything.
Daniel, I think you're just a sadist. Put yourself.
So I've seen that you decided to take my friend away from me too.
I am fine. How was you? No? Is everything alright? Why would you say that? See, I know that Daniel is a handful, but he can never do anything like that.
don't want to make it that word. What is really about you?
It is young. Teenagers say wow. And then it's just teenagers.
Did you mean I'm going to be a teenager and get something bad? I know what I'm saying. Why do you care so much about that, even more than your own daughter? I don't think about you. Just trying to show you a soundless time, but you refuse to see it.
You're making him look like the devil.
Because he is the devil.
No, it's not.
Because your fault.
But you were just looking for someone to accuse. I'll be fine. Okay?
No, Mom. Oh, you know.
Yes, you know.
Yeah, that's because the main clause in a complex sentence is the fact that it makes sense if it stood on its own without the rest of the sentences. So if you're coming to making clauses in complex sentences, touchy.
They want to know about your condition. Go into the outside.
No, I'm fine.
Get you
She'll be back.
You don't seem to be getting better.
I can't stand.
Oh, God. Let me go to the big house and inform them.
Tochi, please, I don't want to disturb anyone. Please. Tochi, please don't go. Tochi.
My mother. I'm sorry, my mother, she's sick. We need to get her to the hospital, please.
What do you want exactly?
My mother, she's sick, ma, please.
And how is that our business?
She's sick.
What is wrong with your mother?
The fall yesterday affected her badly and she cannot stand up.
That's a minor fall. Is that why you're panicking? It's a minor fall. I should be fine.
Why is she even disturbing us with this? Why is she even bothering us?
She's worried because it's her mother.
If she's worried, she can take her mother to the hospital herself.
Oh no, Daniel, please, I beg you. Ma, please help me. My mother is really sick, I beg you, please. Ma, please do something for me.
Leave my leg!
Please, ma.
Listen, go and boil hot water
Ma,
and press on the affected
area.
area.
Working. Please, ma, please help me.
Just because of simple fall, it's not working.
Please, I beg you, please, my mother.
Hey. What is going on there? Are you alright?
No, sir. My mother is sick and she cannot stand up.
Really?
Where
is she?
She's inside, sir. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nonsense. So let me teach you. Sing it. You don't have to mimic me. Sing
Okay.
with your own tone.
Right.
Agameje nararu Christi rindi mama.
Agameje nararu Christi rindi mama.
Agameje nararu Christi rindi mama.
Look at them. You even have the voice to sing. How can you be so mean? How can both of you be so mean? This girl walked up to you, begged and begged for your assistance, but you turned her away. How can you be so mean?
But I thought it was a small thing, something just hot water can solve, you know?
Oh, really? Did you go to check? Did you accompany her to go and check, to go and see? That woman has hip dislocation and she's going to be in the hospital for a while.
How am I supposed to know?
Like my mother said, she thought it was a minor thing, and we actually thought she was lying. You know, you can't just believe words of a common slave.
Shut up, yeah. Look at her. Who is your slave? Huh? You're a slave to your foolishness. You are a slave to your foolishness.
You are so wicked, Daniel. So heartless. I promise you, you and your mother will have a taste of your own medicine.
You heard it. You heard it right.
I heard it.
Yes.
Did you just hear what she said to me?
I heard it.
Did you hear how
you say you're going to have a taste of your own medicine. That's what she
You see how disrespectful she is to me.
Oh, did you respect yourself before her? Did you?
You're too soft to this girl and her mother. I don't know what is going on. Huh? How can you just allow her to talk to me like that? Instead of you to give her that slap with your backhand.
Florence, I am disappointed. And that is to say the least. You.
Can you imagine? If your sisters were to be here, they would have slapped this. In fact, this girl would have been blind by now for speaking to me in this manner.
No, I didn't touch her because of that. If not, she would have joined her mother now. Trust me now.
Daniel, listen. Promise me you're not going to touch this girl or any girl for that matter. Promise!
I am sorry about your mother, my dear.
I'm so scared.
Oh, no, there is nothing to worry about. She will be fine. She's in the best of hands, okay?
Sir, I have to go and get ready to go back to the hospital.
No. She told you not to come back. So don't worry. You have school tomorrow.
But I cannot leave her all alone, dear.
She will not be alone. I have instructed the doctors. I told them what to do. She's in the best of hands.
No, there's no way I can be here. My mother will be there. I cannot stay without her. So I'll go to the hospital very early tomorrow morning. I'll come back and get ready.
I know nothing I will say will convince you. So let's do it this way. You get ready. I'll drop you at the hospital. Then I'll come back early in the morning to pick you for school. Is that alright?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So just put your things together. I'll drop you. Don't worry, she will be fine. I saw her myself. Okay? The doctors are on top of it. And they're the best we can have now. Huh? Cheer up.
Birds to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take and every move you make. Your light will keep on shining. Just learn from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. You can make it if you want.
Tochi.
You have just what you need. No limit. limitation.
Good afternoon, ma.
Your mother hasn't been well for a while. We'll have to hire someone else to help in the meantime. The housemaid has gone to the market to get something, so we need some help.
Okay, ma.
See, Tochi, at least you just have to help your mother in some ways. Have to stand in for her, else she loses her job.
I will stand in for her, ma.
Good. My son just got back from school and he has a visitor. I need you to go in there and attend to them.
Okay, ma, I will do that. But let me change out of my uniform.
Hey, get back here! Go in there and attend to them right now.
Okay, ma.
Move it!
Hi, Tochi. Hi. So I heard that your mom is unfortunately in the hospital and you've been finding it difficult getting to school. You know, I and the girls, we could always come pick you up.
Oh, no, you do not have to bother.
See, I know that I have been mean to you and I am sorry, okay? Thing is, you are a perfect fit for my team of friends. Yes. So I hope you can find it in your heart to please forgive me. Okay? Okay. Nice earrings, by the way. Really cute.
Wait. So you didn't even bother to wash your uniform?
Like, dirty girl. Like, dirty. Why?
Oh, goodness. What's going on here? I swear, I don't know how this got here.
Well, lucky for you, I always carry an extra pair of skirts with me.
Hiss!
Thank you so much, Benita. You really saved me. They would have made fun of me all day.
It's fine. We're friends now, right? And friends look out for each other. Go change and come and meet me.
Let's go! Shut up! You get crazy.
I told you. I told you that first we need to gain her trust.
And we have gained it now.
Unless she's going to pay forever messing you.
What's your Benita?
Just imagine, I don't know who she thinks she is. Because she got a scholarship. What does she even know? Come, let's go. Let me tell you what I plan to do. What is it?
I'm uncomfortable in this.
Oh, come on, it's not even that short.
What
is it?
I'm uncomfortable in this.
Oh, come on, it's not even that short.
Relax.
It's not that short. Turn around. It's not that short. Turn around.
My mom wouldn't like me if she sees me in this.
Oh, for God's sakes.
My mom wouldn't like
You need to
me
stop
if she
acting like a
sees me
child.
in
You're
this.
a big girl now. Sakes. And you know after high school You need to stop acting like a child. You You're a need to big learn girl how now. to be independent. Stop And you know after high school is university. You need to learn how to be independent.
Didn't you notice how
letting
they
your
were
mom dictate
staring
everything.
at you earlier? Now they see you.
Didn't you notice how they were staring at
They
you?
notice your beauty.
Now they see you. They notice you. They notice your beauty.
Too short.
They notice your life.
So
They used to be very tacky. Things learn.
I have something like this at home. I'll wear it tomorrow.
They used to be very tacky.
That's my girl. I have something like this at home. I'll wear it tomorrow.
Really? You are a pretty girl. Act like it. Okay? Confidence. No. You are a pretty girl. Act like it.
Free yourself.
Okay? Confidence.
No. Skirt up.
Free yourself.
Adjust your face.
Skirt up. Smile.
Okay, let's go.
Adjust your face. Smile.
Okay, let's go.
Also, position.
Oh yeah, number 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
7.
7. Are you serious? Like
Yes,
7?
ma'am. You do not add that exact.
Really? Oh, I never thought about that. Hey.
Hello.
Oh, come on.
How are you? So, I was looking for you. I was looking everywhere for you. I have something beautiful to give you. Here you go.
For me?
Yes. I picked your favorites. I know that's what you love.
I do.
You like it, right?
Yeah, I know. So I was actually...
No, you were not actually doing anything. You were actually following me. That's what you're actually doing. So, that assignment, did you later finish it?
No.
You did, huh?
I'm happy that I'm back and better. I can't wait to start work.
Oh, I'm glad you're back. But are you strong enough to start work?
Yes, honey. I had over 2 weeks of rest. My hip is healed and I've never felt this better before.
I'm so glad, Mom.
Tell me, how has school been? I love that! Just me.
Can you please now?
Oh, really? I'm happy, honey. I'm happy for you.
I just wish we were rich like them.
Where did that come from?
No way, Mom. Never mind.
Now listen. Rich or poor, just know that you are a special kid. What matters is for you to study very hard and make something meaningful out of life.
Mom, to make something out of myself, I have to finish.
I'm sorry I continue to be school. I'm still paying the fees, the scholarship, but it's every time.
Thank you, you're the best.
Thank you. I just want you to enjoy school and have a great experience.
School is interesting, but Tanya still believes me.
Don't worry about Honey. As a kid, like every of them there, they will come around. So tell me, you changed your cream. I am so grateful.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach up or
See your back. Yes. How is that your business? Can you just leave me alone this month? What do you want? Stop bugging me with your silly and stupid questions.
wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach up on a limb.
Does it not look to you like I detest your presence?
To what you wanna be. Just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it.
Mom, I'm ready. Give me.
Don't you this again?
See, I am not a child. And there's nothing wrong with my uniform.
You lie. You're a child. As long as you're in my house, you are still a child. Now go in and change.
My wounds change.
You will change.
I'm sorry, but this is what everyone in my school wears.
You are not everyone. What you wear defines you. You are addressed the way you dress. Now go and change.
Look, I've been wearing this since you were at the hospital, and no one scolded me.
I don't like this. Just don't get started with me. Go and change.
Mom, I will not change. Please.
Touchy! 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 Look at this girl.
I'm really having a problem solving algebra. You want me through something?
You mean like the expression?
Yes.
Have you tried working fractions?
Yes, I have, but I still don't understand for those around the algebra expressions and all that.
Okay, I'll help you with my difficulty. We'll talk later.
Haven't I told you to stop talking to that boy? He's my friend.
That thing, your friend? It's not, and we are friends. By the way, I love your hair.
So next week Friday is career day, and we're all wearing matching outfits. Hi Trey.
Hi. Hello.
So what are we going to be this time?
Why are you asking that? Nurses, I thought we all agreed on that.
I don't want to be a nurse this time.
Nobody cares about what you want to be, Sophia. You will wear what I tell you to wear.
So we all agreed now? We're all going to the tailors after school tomorrow for our outfit.
Doesn't that involve money? Of course it does. You have to ask your parents for that. How much are we talking about?
I don't know. Maybe 50k per outfit. Are you scared?
You have to ask your parents though.
What are we sewing?
But I don't even want to be a nurse. 50,000. You know what? It's fine. I'll foot your bills. Okay, I'll take care of it for you. I don't even know what I was thinking, telling myself you could afford it. Forgot you're poor. So, deal? Nonsense? Follow me. Hi, Mom.
We're still fighting.
Huh? You know I do not always have to agree with you. I want to look this way.
Tochi, how you look now doesn't matter. You're still in secondary school.
So you're putting up a frown because I want to look and feel good.
Oh, you don't feel and look good before? You don't?
Mom, the fact that we are poor doesn't mean I should look poor.
Did you just say that? Huh? What's by the way? Come on, help me fix this.
My weak point.
That was what I wanted to do. You should have told me.
What are you doing?
Oh, Benita. I'm helping my mom. Come here. Just go. You realize that you are one of us now, right? And you cannot be caught doing this, whatever it is. She's my mom and she needs help. I believe she can handle it herself. Let's go. This is classless. She can be a mom. Let's go. Were you following me?
Yes, I was waiting for you. Why have you been avoiding me?
I'm not avoiding you. I'm just scared of being judged.
Jojo. Nobody's judging you, okay? I'm not judging you. See, Jojo, I like you a lot, and I miss you.
You miss me? We did not even talk like that.
See, I know, but I can't help it anymore. Jojo, I like you.
You do?
Yeah, I've had a crush on you like since forever, since the day you came into this school.
Me too.
I just wanted to be sure we're on the same page. I wanted to be sure you like me too.
I don't get it.
But you can never be honest with you. See this makeup, this lip gloss, those short skirts. You trying to be like Benita and her so-called squad. I don't think you need it. I feel you're best be natural. Just be yourself.
You see, you're nothing but a control freak. I like my life right now. I hated the withdrawn girl I used to be. And I will not let you ruin this for me.
Gucci, let's go home.
Mommy, just go ahead. I'm going with my friends today.
We always go home together.
Mommy, please, just go ahead this time. I'll go with my friends.
sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dream come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take and every move you make. Your light will keep on shining. Just learn from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try.
Adama.
You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need.
Adako.
No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. Just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only you can be just
Good day, sir.
Ada.
Sir,
Ready?
how do you mean?
You look tired. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes.
All these things you're carrying, I get worried. I'm not comfortable at all. There's no better way to arrange it. It's okay. Need any assistance from you. Do not hesitate to let me
Good afternoon, Mom.
Tochi, you're back. What is going on with you?
Nothing.
Are you sure? Because you've changed. You seem to be more interested in your relationship with Benita and her friends than why you were admitted in that school.
This is how I go ahead in life, Mom. I need to make something out of myself. And to do that, I need to be friends with people like Benita.
You don't.
I do.
You don't.
And I need you to give me some space. Don't always be calling me to wash plates and do some other stuff.
You were so excited to help me when you got admitted in that school. Are you not ashamed of me, your mother?
I'm not. I just wanted you to give me some space. You told me yourself. You sent me to that school to make the right connections.
Not at your own detriment. My dear, Benita and her friends are not the kind of people you were supposed to be moving around with. Please.
Mom, you don't even know anything. Benita is so much nice to me in that school. Even much more than your Daniel, who you so much prefer. What do you want?
I came here to talk to you. Why have you not been speaking to me?
That is because I do not want to talk to you. Get that.
My, did you see that? See the way she literally walked out on tree. Someone we've all been tripping for.
Shut up. Shut up.
Hey, cutie. Hey.
Don't you ever call me that again, okay?
Oh, come on, Trey. Can't you see she doesn't want you? She doesn't see you. I've been trying to get you to see me.
I don't see you, and I never will, okay?
Let's go.
After him.
Sophia, do you know there is something definitely wrong with you in your head and you need to get your brain checked?
What did I do, Donna?
You really that stupid,
Oh,
Sophia.
please.
You must be really stupid.
What is wrong with you? Why won't you mind your business, this woman?
Do not speak to me that
I will speak to you however I want to. What is wrong with you? Why can't you just leave me? Why are you always up in my business?
You're smoking, Dana. Isn't that enough reason for me to be in your business?
You're not my mother, so mind your own business, you slave.
Maybe your dad and mom needs to hear about this.
You know, I wish you had broken your neck or your back that day you fell.
What?
Yes. You probably still be in the hospital or even dead by now. And you might even stop bugging me. You know, God saved you that day.
Wait. Daniel, did you have anything to do with my falling that day?
Yes. Because you have refused to caution your wayward daughter and you have refused to stay out of my business.
Don't talk about you.
is wrong with you? Why would you slap me? But why can't you mind your business? What is wrong with you? Hey! What is going on there? Daniel! What are you trying to do? Oh, you want to fight me? You want to fight me? Go ahead. Go ahead! Adam, what did you want to do? No, what did you want to do? I'm asking you, what did you want to do? To beat her? Leave this. Adama, leave this thing. Let me deal with this boy. What is all this? What's going on here? Ask him. Ask your son. Ask your son why he is fighting Adama. Why he's beating her up. Ask him. Leave it. You're calling him Nna instead of asking him what he did to this woman. Your son is beating up a woman, and all you can say is Nna. You are petting him. Oh, no, there is a serious problem in this family. There is a serious problem in this family. Florence. Like mother, like son. Rubbish.
Madam, it's okay. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay, son. It's okay. Okay? Come, let's go.
Oh. What is it?
I'm sorry I didn't believe you.
Believe me? What happened?
Today I caught Daniel at the backyard smoking.
Smoking? What? It's gotten to this level.
When I tried to question him, he told me to my face that he spilled the oil in the kitchen. That cost me $4.
I told you that there is a devil.
Don't call him that. He just needs guidance, that's all.
You still support him? After he tried to kill you?
I think he's going through a lot that we don't even know. He's acting.
Acting? You would kill me if I did that to somebody, Mom.
Tochi, Danny is a boy child. They are different.
And so what? And so what, Mom? That boy doesn't even care about you.
Don't say that.
He tried to kill you, Mom. That fall could have cost a lot. And here you are still caring about him. Oh, please stop. Keep making excuses for him until he becomes a full-fledged monster.
He will never. I wish I can talk to him. He just needs someone to guide him. That's all.
Please don't cry. You do not have to like him.
He's human. I wish I could advise him. Maybe he will open up and tell me what the problem is.
He's wicked. He's not human.
He's not. He's not.
Kios, our dresses are so nice.
What? What's the problem? The dress, it's too short. I do not think it's something students should wear.
Oh my goodness. Benita, did you hear her say that? Our dresses for this year's careers day is so decent. Like, you know what we wore last year? It's got to be kidding me.
It was crazier.
But I don't understand. You're an adult, so why does that even bother you?
Technically, she's not up to 18. So she's not an adult.
So
when will you learn how to shut up? You don't know when to talk. What is your problem? Are you up to 18? Are you? Mouth sealed. Of course. Never to be opened again.
As you should.
Shut up.
My mom is going to throw a fit if she sees me in girls.
Come on. You don't have to wear it at home. She doesn't have to see you wear it. You can bring it to school and wear it here.
Benita has a good idea, you know.
Okay?
Uchi, I've got something for you.
You wrote me a letter?
No, he did.
Oh, Benita. What did you say? Let's read it. Okay. Looks like you've lost him. Benita, darling. It's high time you let the boy go.
Anna, you know that the way you are very tiny, to break you into two is not going to be very hard. You know that, Abi? You know that. I don't even know why I roll with you. I'll beat you one of these days.
I've told Benita several times you're not meant to be in this group. I wonder why she doesn't listen.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be. Just prove your
What do you want?
I've been trying to talk to you, like, I'm trying to get your attention.
And you had to send a letter when I was with the girls?
The girls? I don't care about the girls, okay? Come.
Benita. She likes you. Benita likes you.
Told you. It's you I like. Told you. It's you that I like.
Hello.
Sir. Wow. It's strange to see you here.
Well, yes, I got to see your mother. But where is she?
Oh, Mommy!
Hi. Good day, Miss Tolu.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Why are you here?
Well, I come to talk to you about
Oh, it's nothing.
It's everything, sir. Daniel detests my mother and treats her with so much disrespect.
You see, I am aware of that, and that is my concern. His mother is not helping matters. She's bent on sparing the rod and spoiling that boy.
So I think it relies on you to use all disciplinary measures to train Daniel. Else he will pose a big threat to the society.
Yes, sir. He indulges in all active, notorious activities. It's so rare that our principal uses him and his friends as example during oral instructions.
Really? You see? That woman has destroyed that boy. I'm really sorry about this whole thing. I really apologize for everything. And I promise I will do everything within my powers to discipline that boy to turn a new leaf.
It's
I will.
okay. Thank you for caring.
You're welcome. Tochi, please give us a minute. I want to talk to your mother privately.
sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. Do what you want to be. Just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you
Don't you? Can I be honest with you? I don't like you wearing this to school.
You can make it if you try.
Today's career day.
I know all that. Listen, dear. Forget about all this drama. You're still young. At this point in life, all you need is to concentrate on your studies.
Mom, I just wear a short skirt and you're acting like this? But you still support Daniel even after he tried to kill you.
Because you're my child. You're all I've got. I don't like this for you.
Mom, please stop this your two-faced thing. It doesn't speak well of you. I'm going to school. And if you're coming for my career day, try to dress sophisticated.
Just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you only if you try.
No, we get to the hospital from there to run that test.
Daniel, don't keep your father waiting.
What? Hey, hello? Hello? Where do you think you're going to? What is going on?
I'm going to school, Dad.
Oh, really? This car, huh? Listen, you are going to school with public transport. Yes. All your privileges have been cut off. All your privileges have been cut off. I announced it before. Didn't you hear it?
Honey, please forgive him. Huh? Please, don't be too hard on him.
Really?
Dad, I can't take a public transport to school now. It's classless for my standard.
Oh, really? Oh, you have a standard.
Exactly.
You, Daniel, you have standard. You have standard and you are smoking in my compound. Only God knows what you do outside of this place. Classless.
Honey, please forgive him. Please.
Florence, you are the one spoiling this boy. Oh yes, we had 4 daughters before him. And they are all decent, nice girls. When it comes to him, you lose your head. Huh? You need to sit yourself down and tell yourself the truth where you got it wrong with this boy. You need to. You really need to, Florence.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello? You're going to school? Do you need a ride to your school?
No, sir. My friends are waiting outside.
Oh, okay. Have a nice day. All right. Have a nice day.
You see, this is all her mom's fault. She told her about this.
Oh, yes. Go ahead and blame everybody. Blame the whole world for the consequences of your foolishness. Go ahead. Nonsense.
It wasn't my mom. It was me. I told your dad about it.
You pay for this, I promise you.
If you dare cross this line now, you see me. Get out of my presence. Get out of my presence now.
Son, don't worry. I will take you with my car. Let's go.
Whose car? Whose car? You go to school henceforth with public transport. And that is final. Florence, if you want to go, you join me.
Maduka!
about. I
And
got
then-
mine and it's out.
Oh, it's out already?
That's
got
so
yours?
cute. Yes.
Oh, really?
I got
That's what
mine.
we're doing now, eh?
There's more.
You're not... Obviously.
Nice one.
Oh, Danny boy, you know you cannot try it. You know you cannot. So tell me, how does it feel to get a taste of your own medicine? How much fun was it coming to school on your leg in these beds?
You want to sleep that well? Oh my goodness. Can you guys perceive the smell? Oh, the smell is from Daniel. Daniel, you smell like public transport, you know.
Smells like the streets.
Did you take a proper shower before coming to school this morning?
Weeks of trials and tribulation. You definitely look like what you're going through right now because, yo. So, how long did it take for you to get here?
You'll ask him again.
She told you, right?
Of course, she told me. Why wouldn't she tell me something like that?
Just leave him alone.
Why? It's starting to get good.
No, he deserves all the insults. This guy is so mean. What are you saying? What? You wanna beat me? Huh?
He knows he cannot try it. So, like I asked, how long did you have to walk? Did you stop for water on the way?
How far did you have to go?
Very far.
Did you stop by on the way to buy water? Were there refreshments?
Very far.
Leg it is done.
You get that
Leg it is
out
done.
to the
Hey,
market.
hey, with your leg it is done. Hey, hey, with your leg it is.
Keep tracking. Oh my god. Why is your face like that? It was funny, wasn't it? Oh, come on.
Isn't this the new students? Wait, did the school hire a stripper or what? Probably she didn't even know.
Tochi, what is this? What are you wearing?
We know you just can't wait to enter the street, but this school is just a disguise for you.
Bro, shut up. What
What are you doing? Stop it.
Why are you stressing yourself? Look now, this is exactly who she is. Eh?
Tochi, this doesn't make sense now.
Why are you stressing yourself for it?
Bro, that's not the
This is exactly who she is. Ah!
What doesn't make sense to you? This is what the girls are wearing. And I'm wearing this with them. We
Tochi.
agreed to dress like this.
Tochi, I saw the girls this morning and this is not what they are wearing. Even if this is what they are wearing, what you are wearing makes no sense. Take.
Stop, Trey. Stop it. I don't need that. Leave me alone.
Come, Joe.
Why are you taking me to
Bro.
stop? What are you talking about?
What's going on here? Tochi, see me in my office now.
You are laughing at me.
Ma, please, I'm begging you. 3 weeks suspension is too much. I promise she will never do this again.
Please.
I see your pain, woman. But, Tochi, why will you dress like this to the school? A learning environment. And you, the mother, you will not have dressed, like this to school.
I swear I saw her leave the house in her school uniform. She was not dressing like this. She must have changed to this when she got to school.
I don't think so. What do you have to say?
Benita and her friends, they made me wear this. They said it's our costume for career day.
Seriously? What career are you talking about?
This is supposed to be a nurse costume.
Nurse costume? Where on earth have you seen a nurse dressed this way?
I thought we were supposed to twist it a little bit for career day.
We? Who are the we?
So Benita deceived you into wearing this. Don't she? Benita deceived you into wearing this. And you agreed.
It's okay, madam. Benita, did you really make her wear this to school?
This? No, man. Look at what we're wearing. Look at what she's wearing. It's not the same.
That's a lie. Say the truth.
I mean, Ma, I don't understand what exactly is going on here, but look at her. She's practically dressed like a slut.
What? You used that language in my office? You don't do that. Please watch your tongue. This is an institution of learning. Don't say that.
Okay, fine. So why exactly am I here then? Is there a problem? Do I need to call my father?
You don't need to do that. You can go now.
Thank you, Mom.
Hi. Because you lied to me and to the school authority, I'm going to give you 2 weeks suspension.
Please, have mercy. I'm begging you, she will never repeat a thing like this again. Please. Please. Please.
This is a serious matter.
I know.
I am sorry, Ma.
You better be sorry. Tochi, do you remember you are a scholarship student? You know what that means? Do you want to lose that privilege? Do you want to lose that privilege? Answer me. If we had called parents in as usual, you would have been appalled by your outfit and asked for immediate expulsion. If this very conduct of yours is a dent on the image of the school, what's going on?
She's moving on the Whoa. Whoa. Are you okay?
Please. I am begging you with everything you hold dear. Have mercy. My daughter just got involved with the wrong crowd. She listened to the wrong people.
I understand. Please. What your daughter did should not be associated with a good child that has a good home training. And moreover, this is a learning ground. Anyway, because of your mother, I am going to reduce the suspension to just 3 days. And when you come back, you are going to do what we call sanitation service and detention for 1 week.
She will do that. She will do it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's
Thank you. God bless you.
okay.
Thank you. Let's go home.
So high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation to what you wanna be. Just put your head up high and don't give up.
I told you those girls are bad news, but you didn't listen. Just look at the trouble you landed yourself into.
Oh, I'm sorry for not listening to you. Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. For 2 days now, the suspension is over. It ended 2 days ago. Huh? Don't you need to go back to school?
Don't want to go back to that.
You have to. This is a crucial period. Exams will soon begin. You can't afford to miss any paper. Remember? No exams. Yes, of course they're coming. Oh, Trey.
Yes, ma'am.
How have you been?
What are you doing here?
So I came to take you to school.
I'm not going back to that school. And you're not going to make me.
I've tried, but she's not listening. Oh, please, pardon my manners. Sit. Let me get her something to eat. Excuse me.
Tochi, why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you beating yourself over something you don't have control? Do you know how you worked hard to get the scholarship into the school? Moreover, it's the school of your dreams. And you want to throw that away because of what happened last week? Tochi, I know you to be a very brave and smart girl, but at this point, I need you to be the strongest girl ever. For the sake of people that believe in you, for the sake of mommy, everybody. Do you want to throw this once in a lifetime opportunity away? Please, I'm begging you. Huh? Please come back to school. Don't cry.
Haven't you done enough? No, apparently not. I want you to stop hanging with Trey, but you obviously don't listen.
I suggest you stay and listen, you pig. Shut up, Anna. You're nothing but a puppet.
She's right, you know.
Shut up, Sophia. Should have never crossed my path. I keep warning you to stay away from Trey, but you don't want to listen.
Why do you keep pushing yourself on someone who doesn't even see you?
Oh, she found her voice. You know, I should have allowed them expel you. You're just a good-for-nothing, gullible piece of nobody.
Gone some way.
You and that your mother. Shut up! Are you mad? Are you mad? What do you want to do?
What is your problem, Benita? What's your problem? Is it until she gets expelled? How desperate can you be? What is you people's problem now?
So,
it's okay, please.
You're talking to
yes,
me
because of this girl.
Because of this girl.
What's your
Because
problem?
of this girl.
Will you beat her?
Because of, I will. I go. Yeah, I will beat.
Try everything.
Stay up, leaving collective students.
Great. Okay, fine. Go! Like a dog on a leash. Go! I'm talking to you. I'm not okay. you like that. Better you learn.
What are you doing?
It's really going to help her.
What is wrong with you people? Are you going to help her? You caused the trouble for her. What's your problem? If you guys cannot help her, then go. You caused this nonsense for her.
No, I'm not going anywhere. What will you do?
I don't blame you people.
Go where? Where are you taking her to? She's right where she belongs. I mean, considering the fact that she's trash, and she's picking up the trash, it's like a family.
Tochi! Are you guys planning something now?
What? She's joking. Oh, come on, it has to be a joke, right? Okay, just stop it now. Are you okay? It's okay. Just stop being so.
Benita, let's go.
No, we can't leave her.
Benita,
Like
let's go.
Wait, go.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation to what you want to be.
Heavenly Father, we come to you with a broken heart and we commit our dearest friend Tochi into thy able hands, and we pray that you do not take her away from us, Lord. Revive her, O Lord, make her whole again. We ask that you please wipe away the tears of we, her friends, O Lord. Calm the broken-hearted, Lord. Mend those, Lord. Listen to the pleas of the poor mother, Lord, and bring her back to us. We beg you that you please heal her and do not take her away from us, Lord. Please, I ask this because what you cannot do does not exist. What you cannot do, Lord, do not exist, and I believe you're going to do this for us. I beg and plead in the name of Jesus. Amen.
With every step you take and every move you make, your light will keep on shining. Just learn from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no
God,
limitation.
Tochi doesn't deserve this at all. I can't bear the pain of losing her to the cause of death. Should anything happen to her, not even her mother can afford to lose her. She's a harmless, self-effacing and brilliant young girl. God, I may not have appreciated you enough for the things you've been doing for me. But please, do this one thing again for me. God, don't allow Tochi to die. Please, God. Losing her will create a very great vacuum in our family that will remain forever. Please.
Whether you reach upon a limitation to what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you.
What could be the reason for her ailment? Have I been responsible for it? I really feel for her. My God, please don't let her die. Tochi is too kind and innocent to die young. Please, God, forgive me for my own wayward doing. And do not let me die of a heart attack. I promise to turn over a new leaf, God, please.
You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try.
Daniel, are you crying? No, are you really crying? You know how you bullied this girl? You, Benita, every single one of you. Do you know how you bullied Tochi? Now she's, God forbid, she's half dead. Can you just leave her alone? What? How? Daniel, how? What? Daniel, are you mad? How could you be so wicked, Daniel?
No, honestly, I'm so sorry.
The other day Tochi was locked up in the toilet and I rescued her. Was it you? Daniel, was it you?
No, I'm sorry.
You better say the truth or else. Tell everybody what you did.
you okay?
Will you get out of this place and don't talk to me? You bully. Every single one of you bullied her. You, Benita, you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about Tochi, but I didn't mean any harm. I'm sorry.
Are you happy with yourselves now? No, tell me, are you happy with yourself? You people were always quick to remind her about her poor background. You did every chance you got to bully her, you took advantage of it. Are you happy? Tochi is half dead now. If she's not dead, are you happy? You might never get to see her again. I hope you know that. You were always reminding her she was poor. You especially. I hope you learn from this. I hope you all learn from this. I don't understand. What nonsense face are you even making? If tomorrow never comes for that girl, can you live with this car? Can you live with what you have done? Can you live with it? If it was your sister, can you handle it? No, you people are big girls now. You are big girls of the school. Are you happy with what you've done? Shut up! And you Daniel. You Daniel, I didn't expect that from you. You think everybody's scared of you. You think being a bully makes you powerful. It makes you weak. It makes you weak, bro. Just pray that Tochi survives. Just pray that Tochi survives, or else.
I can't survive without my daughter. I can't live without Tochi.
Adama, I'm truly sorry.
She's lying helpless, lifeless almost, at the hospital. And the doctor said she can't survive without a heart transplant.
Dana, are you alright? Are you okay?
Is anything the matter?
I did it.
You did what?
You did what?
Talk.
Now? Talk.
I took Tochi's inhaler and hid it.
What?
I'm sorry, I didn't know. I just wanted to teach her a lesson. I didn't know.
What? Oh my God. You killed her almost. She's your sister. For heaven's sake, she is your blood sister. You just killed us. You killed her. Almost. Daniel, you have killed your twin sister. Adama, you promised. Adama, you promised.
Mom, what is she talking about? Mom, I'm asking you, what is she talking about? Dad, can anyone answer me?
Daniel, Tochi is your twin sister. Yes. That is what she's talking about.
I was young. I had no family. No one at all. I was employed here to work as a help. At that time, your dad and mom were always at loggerhead because she had girls without a son. On a fateful weekend, your mother left for her parents' house for the weekend with your 4 sisters, and your dad came in drunk. He took advantage of me. That was how I got pregnant.
So you're my mother. And Tochi's my twin sister.
Yes. I had both of you the same day.
Is this even...
But your birthdays were altered because of the lie. We did it to maintain the lie. When I was pregnant with you and your twin sister, Mrs. Olu sent me out of the house. But she later let it slide because she heard I was pregnant with twins, a boy and a girl. She let me into the house again after so many weeks. On the street. I gave me an option that when I deliver of my babies, she would take the male since she had 4 girls already, and I would take the female. I refused. But at some point, I had no choice. I mean, how would I have survived with 2 children on the street without the roof over our heads? I concurred. So when I gave birth, I handed you over to them and live with my Tochi. I begged them to allow me stay close so that I can take care of you and your sister while you grow. But they made me take an oath that I would not reveal to anyone, even you nor your sister, that you are my son. Until now. Until now.
I killed my own twin sister. And you let this happen. Then how could you even let this happen?
Daniel, don't blame me. So at that time, I had nothing. I was broke. I was totally broke. She was the one with the money, and I had to play along. You know, a poor man has no say of his own. So I had to play along. If I didn't, she would have kicked me out, and I would have just gone to the street. I wouldn't have the money to take care of that man and to. So please don't blame me. Don't look at me like that. That is the truth. That is the truth. Florence, don't look at me like that. It is the truth. You know I'm telling the truth. If not my condition at that time, these things wouldn't have happened like this. Son, please forgive me. Please. I meant well. Never mind. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. Honestly.
Please, I'm so sorry. I didn't know, honestly. I've hated you for so long, but I didn't know. I'm so sorry, please. Please, can you just forgive me, please? Leave me alone! Don't you dare touch me! Please. I'm sorry, please. Sorry for the way I've treated you. I'm sorry for the way I've treated Tochi. Please. Please for me. Please forgive me. Please. I'm deeply sorry. Please. Please.
I'm hugging my son for the first time in my life.
Sorry.
Anything I can do, please. I'll donate my heart to touch.
What?
Yes. I put her in a situation. I have to do it.
What did you just say?
Give your heart?
Giving your heart means you will die to save her. Is that what you're saying?
Then so be it.
No one is dying. I can't watch my child being buried. My heart is broken, Daniel. You've wronged me and your sister so deeply. If you have another chance with her, love her. Protect her. Always be there for her. Promise me. Promise me.
Promise you. Okay, I promise you. Promise you.
Respect them. They are your parents. Respect them. Always. Forgive them. Always be there for your sister. Promise me.
Promise you. I promise you.
Mr. Olu, promise me that nothing will happen to my daughter.
For sure. I promise with all my heart, whatever I can do, she will not die. You have done so much.
My heart belongs to my daughter. My heart will always belong to my daughter.
Are you okay?
I am so tired. I'm so broken. I need to take a nap.
No.
I don't know where you're going to.
I need to take a nap.
So sorry. Careful, careful.
sorry for everything. I forced your father and your mother to sign an agreement that will put you in my position. I needed a son so badly to consolidate my marriage because I had no son of my own. I made Adama to sign to be the surrogate. As she keep Tochi while I keep you. I'm sorry, son. Please forgive me. I love you, son.
Daniel, please just calm down, okay? Calm down. Try to understand us, myself and your mom. The situation we find ourselves then was beyond our control. Believe us. Son, we're very sorry, but just calm down. We had the best of intentions. Okay? Please calm down. Doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor. Please, Doctor.
The good news is Tochi is alive and can go with two people.
Thank God.
Doctor, what about
There's no way she could make it, giving her own heart for Tochi to live.
You have to do something, okay? Like there's something you can do.
There's nothing I can do, I'm sorry.
Doctor, please, there's something you can
Take
do. Doctor, can I see Tochi, please?
Yes, you can see Tochi. Just go to the ICU hall.
Doctor, you have to do something, doctor, please.
There's nothing I can do, I'm sorry.
There's nothing you can do, doctor, please.
Yes.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance. to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take. And every move you make, your light will keep on shining. Just learn from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. Just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make the sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance.